we go 1-2. This is the high school boys 4x8. Another outstanding field of 800-meter runners. Mid-Prairie is in the field. They are the state leaders in 8:06, and they will anchor Aaron Stockstill. All he did yesterday was run 1:51 to anchor their medley. And that is Mid-Prairie right now in second. The tightly bunched, talented field. Pleasant Valley leading off with Devin Albaugh. Davenport North is our early leader, leading off with Terry Showers. They will anchor Armadas. It's North. To Stephen Dack. Ames is on the rail in fourth. Ankeny. Monticello getting a good carry here from Travis Larson. West Shetterly for West Waterloo moving into fifth. Look at this battle up front. Monticello. Monticello with the exchange, Pleasant Valley now. Pleasant Valley with Jordan Lang. Davenport North is running third with Anderson. And it's Iowa City West. They led off with Boddicker. This is Olsen Tadasi. Tadasi has moved Iowa City West to third right now. Look at the race up front. Pleasant Valley on the rail, Monticello on their shoulder. West High, Davenport North, Ames, Ankeny. Waterloo West. BCL UW up in that top 8. They will anchor their outstanding runner, Bo Dielschneider. Here comes your field on this second leg of the high school boys 4x800. Jordan Lang and Pleasant Valley. Iowa City West. Ames now has moved into third. Ames in third with Brown. Pleasant Valley. This field stringing out now into single file fashion, moving to the backstretch. Pleasant Valley, Iowa City West, Ames 1, 2, and 3. Monticello in 4, Davenport North, and the Comets of BCL UW round out the top 6. West Waterloo, Mid-Prairie, and Marshalltown moving. Marshalltown with Nate Sletton. Marshalltown into fourth with Sletton. Making a challenge into third. It's Pleasant Valley, Iowa City West, Marshalltown, and Monticello, your top 4. We into the exchange. Pleasant Valley, Monticello getting a good carry. Monticello takes the exchange in second. Now what Donnerwijk on this leg. Pleasant Valley up front with Slotson. 2:026 to carry for Jordan Lang of Pleasant Valley. 2:012 for Tadasi of Iowa City West. Pleasant Valley, Iowa City West. Pleasant Valley and Monticello. Johnston now has moved into third. They got a good carry from Nate Clock. This is Andy Bundrew. Followed by Marshalltown and Iowa City West. Iowa City West is running Palangi Sunday. They'll anchor Brady Fritz. Here is your field. Pleasant Valley, Monticello, Johnston, Marshalltown, Iowa City West, set to go to the anchor leg. Don't be sitting on your hands. This is going to be a great finish. Johnston, Monticello, Marshalltown. Ankeny moving up. Johnston at the pass. Connor Elman now running for the Dragons. Monticello with Todd Tutkin. Marshalltown counters with Broadley. 159.6 the carry for Bournemouth and Ankeny. Pleasant Valley is on the move already. They're anchoring Blake Irwin. He anchored their medley to victory yesterday. He has also run 4:18 in the mile. In the yellow and black, that is Aaron Stockstill of Mid-Prairie. He anchored their medley yesterday in 1:51.2. They have run 8:06 this year, have the Golden Hawks. Johnston out front. Johnston is out front with Connor Elman. Then it's Pleasant Valley with the state's top miler, Blake Irwin. Monticello. Stockstill has put Mid-Prairie into fourth. Then it's Iowa City West, Marshalltown, Ankeny. At the bell, it's Johnston and Pleasant Valley. Monticello. Johnston out front. Here they come, backstretch. Let them know you're there. Johnston and Pleasant Valley. Blake Irwin is on the move. Pleasant Valley, Johnston. Aaron Stockstill and Mid-Prairie have moved into third. It is Pleasant Valley, Johnston, Mid-Prairie, Monticello, your top four with 200 to go. Pleasant Valley, Blake Irwin, he anchored their medley to victory yesterday. Monticello's on the move. Todd Tutkin and Monticello. Pleasant Valley, Monticello, Mid-Prairie and Johnston, 1 through 4. Blake Irwin and Monticello. Blake Irwin for PB, Tutkin for Monticello. What a finish! And the high school boys 4x800 champions, Pleasant Valley.